and they are here to give presentation on the features and characters of Sikkim. Yes, go on.
If we are walking on the right path, we have to keep walking. Eventually, we will make success. A very cheerful morning to you all presented here. I am Anjali with my teammates Amita and Vivek. We are standing here to represent a presentation in front of you all. The topic of our presentation is northeast state of our country, that is Sikkim. Now let's start our presentation. Sikkim. Sikkim is also famous in names of brother of seven sisters. Sikkim, which comes from the two Limbu words, which means Su, which means new, and Kim, which means palace or house. Sikkim is also known as first organic state of the world. As we all know that the capital of Sikkim is Gangtok, which is a very beautiful place eventually in the whole world. Because of this, the economic growth of the country is also held on. When I study about the place Gangtok, I think a thought which is appropriate for the place. The nature's greenery is the best scenery. This thought is very appropriate for the place Gangtok, because Gangtok is a place in which we can see about the nature's beauty. Now coming to the next. The contents of our presentation is first is history. In history, we will discuss how the formation of the state Sikkim is formed and which of the dynasties ruled. In geography, we will share the information about the which soil and the soil crops and other things about the latitude and the temperature of this state. Third one is political aspects, demography, cultural and traditions, education system and achievements. In our content is related to the topic Sikkim. In this we have to cover a deep knowledge about the place Sikkim. In this we cover all the points like how the people achieve their goals who are living in the Sikkim, like many of the people many of the footballers are also from the Sikkim background who achieve many things from this state. Now coming to the next map of the Sikkim. As we all see the map of the Sikkim, in which there are four districts. In the east there is a Gangtok, in which approx 127 villages are present. Because of this, many of the peoples are living, and those peoples who are living in this area have a great attachment with the nature, because as we all know that in Sikkim in Sikkim nature's beauty is present. In the North Sikkim the Mangan district is present. In Mangan district only 56 districts are available. Only 56 villages are available, but we see the area of this district is big. Just because of this, there are many hill stations in the Magnus district, through which the economic growth of the country also happened. And this in the north of the Sikkim we can see the nature's beauty, and the west of the Sikkim the gazing is present. In gazing 127 villages are present. Same as the east 127 villages is present. The people of this West Sikkim have very good relation with West Bengal. Just because of this a good coordination of the West Bengal, the people who are living in the West Sikkim, they have many good activities, like they make handicraft and other activities, and survive her life in a easy and in a own way. Like and Namchi district, which is in the south of the Sikkim, this district is also famous for the handicraft and many of the things. Like in the Namchi district there are 156 villages. 150 villages. The population, we can say that the area of this district is, as per the map, the area of this district is very low, very less as compared to the other district. But in this district, approx 150 villages present. Just because of this is highly dense populated area, and in this district many of the people are living who can survive in this because of the high density population. People are living here, and for the development or for their livelihood, people do many of the other activities, like they can open many of the shops, and which also help in the economic growth of the country. Now coming to the next, later we discuss about the history of the place Sikkim. Sikkim, around in the 14th century, Sikkim is founded by the Phangsok Namgyal. He is the founder of the place Sikkim. In the ancient times, the Bhutia community is living here. In the 1642, exactly in the 1642, the Sikkim is found to be in the 22nd state of the country, that is India. In Sikkim, Chogar dynasty was lived, which come in the 1642 and through which run more than 300 years. It means that the monarchy who ruled in the Sikkim, they play a very important role. Also they have done a great job with their narrative. Just because of this, they ruled over more than 300 years. It means that people of the Sikkim are very happy with the monarchy system. But when more of the state have their own constitution and have their own perspective, like democracy, as we all know that democracy is the best way to give all have equal opportunity. In the Chogar dynasty also, people have many of the opportunity, and people lived very happily. But after the evolution of Chogar dynasty in the 16th May 1975, the people of the Sikkim have voted a referendum, and they independent on 16th May. After this, the monarchy system was removed, and also the state Sikkim has many improvements in the monarchy system also. But after the division, when the democracy come in power, the Sikkim has also developed many more. Now I introduce my friend Amisha, Vivek, who introduce about the next topic, that is the geography.
Geography. As we know, Sikkim is a hill station and it is situated on the mountains, and the mountains is Himalaya. Boundary. It shares its boundary. In the north, it is in the south, in north China. In east, it is shares its boundary with Bhutan, and in south, it shares its boundary with West Bengal, and in west, it shares its boundary with Nepal. Flora and soil. The soil of the Sikkim is loamy soil. It means the soil which is coming from because of the Himalaya. Because Himalaya, the water is also flow throughout the year, and it also take a variety of clay and silt from there. And the soil is loamy types. Means the soil is loamy, and the product is also from here is like orange, cardamom, ginger, etc. Flora and fauna. There is found a variety of flora and fauna, like the existence of animals which we know about: red panda, black snow leopard, flying squirrel, which are also found in here. And fauna. There is found a variety of plants because it is also situated on the mountains, and in the mountains there found a variety of plants. And those are cardamom plant and oak plant, cheer plant. Climate. The climate of Sikkim is tropical climate because in more than a half year it is converted into winter, and summer is here for only March to April, and monsoon is here for April to December, and the winter is here for January to March, and the temperature in winter is here 5 to 7 degrees Celsius, minus 5 to 7 degrees Celsius, and March to April in the summer season there is temperature about 5 to 25 degrees Celsius, in April there is temperature about 4 to 17 degrees Celsius. And the wettest month of the Sikkim is July, and the temperature of Kanchenjunga, we all know about the Kanchenjunga, world third highest peak in the world, which is also situated in the Sikkim. If we are going to Sikkim and visit Gangtok, and there you can, if you are awake at means down period, then you can say Kanchenjunga is only red, you can see from there. And there is Sanctuary National Park. There is 7 sanctuary and 1 national park. And the national park name is Kanchenjunga National Park, where we can find a variety of animals. And the land mass of the Sikkim is 7,906 km per square, and the number of villages are there is 460, and district is 4. This is a clip of video, which is tourist place in Gangtok, in Sikkim. And here I also want to add some points. The transportation of Sikkim is very necessary because it is connected from the Siliguri, and there is also goods coming from the Nepal and China. And the China tours is open for 2 days, which is Tuesday and Thursday. And there is, we can also buy goods from there. And Nathula Pass, where we can see from there the way is going from the China. And there is a airport which was no sealed, and its name is Pakyong Airport. It is opened in 2018, but it is sealed in June 2018 due to the landslide. And the area is also found lots of landslide. While you are going to Nathula, in the way you have got also lots of problem. In that state you are found the climate is extremely. That's we know about the cloud. If you are visiting there, then you see the cloud is also below of you. The area is too high. In the Nathula, there is 14,000 feet height of from the sea level. In the north side, in the south side, the area is 286 feet above from the sea level. Economy. The main economy of the Sikkim is travels and tours, because Sikkim is a tourist attraction place. So there are many people are visiting in the summer vacation, and they visit lots of places. In the tourist summer time, the government also applied all the private taxi as a government taxi for to take. Pharma industry. Sikkim has a lot of pharma industries like Sipla, and there are many more. Agriculture. The rural areas of Sikkim is 80% dependent on agriculture. And per capita of Sikkim is 358,000, and GDP of Sikkim in US dollar 40 billion. Political aspects. As we know, everywhere is dependent on political aspects. Monarchy from 1642 to 1975. In the monarchy period, it is from 1642 to 1975, and the people who living under this are very happy due to its kingdom, because his emperor is very good. Become a state on 16th May 1975. It is become a state of India from the voting of every person who are 80% voted for coming in under India. First election are doing in 1974, and the Kazi Hamdam Dorji is selected for the first CM of here. And Nar Bahul Bhandari is selected for the second CM who were here for 1979 to 1994, means for assembly election he has selected. And Pawan Kumar Chamling, who is the longest serving CM of Sikkim. He is from 1994 to 2019. And there are 32 constituency seats in 32 constituency members in Sikkim. Article 371F. It means there is no one can go buy lands from there, and there is no job provided from other state of India in there. And while there is also Sikkim subject, from this you can get job there. Administrative system. The administrative system is role very good important in every place. If you are living here, then the administrative system makes you perfect, and the local is also good. So the administrative system is very good. If you are in the short distance, you can find police station, and police are also there. Current minister, the governor of Sikkim is Ganga Prasad, and the chief minister of current is Prem Singh Taman, and the education minister and the parliamentary affairs are Kangu Lima Lepcha, and rural management development is Sonam Lama. Tourism, commerce, industry minister is Bedu Singh Pant. Information and public relations, agriculture Loknath Sharma. Public work and transport department Sanjit Khare, and water supply and health department Bhim Hang Limbu. Environment and science technology Karma Lady Bhutia. Culture and heritage Sandeep Lepcha. Chief secretary of and home minister of there is Suresh C. Gupta, and High Court judge is Jitendra Kumar Maheshwar. Number of MLAs there 32, and number of MP is 1. And who is Indra Hang Subra? He is from belonging from Sikkim Krantikari Morcha. Demography. It is presented by my teammate Samisa.
Hello everyone, I am Misa from my team Sikkim. Now I am introducing you about the demography of Sikkim. According to 2011 census, total population of Sikkim is 6,10,577, and their population growth is at the rate of 12.89%. Sex ratio is 1000 per 890. Density per kilometer square is 86. Literacy rate is 81.42%. That is very good for male per female literacy is 86.55% literacy rate is for men, and for 75.61% is for women. And the Hindu population is about 57.76%. Buddhist is 27.39%, Christian is 9.91%, and Muslim is 1.62%. That is very low. Now I am introducing about culture and tradition of Sikkim. There are many tribes in Sikkim, but mainly there are 3 tribes, that is Lepcha, Bhutia, and Nepalis. Lepcha are the first tribes of Sikkim, second is Bhutia, and third is Nepalis. Language of Lepcha is Tibetan, Burman, Leng, and the language of Sikkim is Sikkimese, and the language of Bhutia is Sikkimese, and Nepalis is Nepali. That is Devanagari script. Costumes of Lepcha is Baku or Khao, and Bhutia is Thokro Doom for woman, and Doom Bom for woman. Costume of Nepalis is Surval for men and Faria for women. And there are many festivals celebrated by Sikkim people. Is Ram Navami, Durga Puja, Chhat, and there are also many festivals celebrated by them. Food habit of Sikkim people is dal bhat, bamboo shot curry, and Ladakh tea. There are many games played by Sikkim people, which is football, sohu, and archery. Now our next. Education system of Sikkim. is there are distinct 4 levels of school education system. First is primary, which is for 1 to 5 student, and junior high school, which is for 6 to 8 class student. Secondary for 9 to 10, and senior secondary for 11 and 12 student. The government of Sikkim spend their 20% of their governmental fund for education, and English is the main language. There are many regional languages, and English is the main language for Sikkim, and Hindi is compulsory for 4 to 8 students. Next point is discussed by Anjali.
The next point is achievement. In Sikkim, many of the peoples do great things, and Sikkim, from the ancient to the earlier, Sikkim has many developed. Like in the first is noble people. Many of the peoples like Danny Dongjangpa, who is the villain of the Hollywood movie. He is also from the Sikkim background. He play a very important role in the movie. When any movie is going to held on, in any of the movie, when he play the role of the villain, movie becomes very interesting, and the character he saw in the movie, he play very good character. Those of the characters which he saw in the movie, from this people have learned many things. People learn many of the things, like a famous second footballer of the Indian cricket team is also belongs to the Sikkim, and the CNN News 18, the anchor of the CNN News 18 is belongs to Sikkim. Sikkim have got many of the awards, like they have in archery, they have given archery for the archery in 2005 they have given Arjun Award, and also first organic award was given in the whole world in Sikkim state. Now coming to the next, the world first organic state. Sikkim is also famous for world first organic state. It means they have given award. The social worker whose name is T. Lepcha. He also belongs to the Sikkim background. He had given in 2005 he had given Arjun Award, and in 2009 he had given Padma Shri Award, just because of his social behavior, or they have done a great job toward its state. In Sikkim, handicrafts are also famous. Like many of the statues are born just because of this. Poor family have their livelihoods or needs or they have fulfilled the needs by making handicrafts or different things. The people of the Sikkim who have nothing for who have not much more money for their livelihood, they can make handicraft and send to the market, the MZ market, who is very famous in the Sikkim. This place, all the things are in this place. The handicraft materials are also selling on. Most of the foreigners or the other state people who are coming to visit this place, they have enjoyed a lot, and they have show the creativity of the man. All peoples have created, like many of the statues are created by the stones and other marbles. And in this MZ market, all the shops are available, like many of the malls are available, through which we can buy many of the things in the low cost also. And now next point is conclusion is covered by Misha.
Conclusion. As we know, Sikkim is a very good destination for our tourist attraction place. But there is also some debate behind all that, because every side has a good and bad side. Just like there is the girls are very free for going anywhere at night and any time. They have no restriction from their family side. But their child has a very bad thing. That is, they are smoking and taking drugs in a very low age. That is very bad for their life, and they make their life very bad. And they, the area in Nathula place where we are going, the way is for a short distance, the way is very dangerous, and that we can say. And there is always landsliding in a few of hours. So their government should make a bridge to go there, and there should be on the way we are visiting to Sikkim from the Siliguri way. Then Rangpo check. So before Rangpo check post, there is a way which is very turning point, and the mountains of that place is very dangerous. While I am visiting Sikkim, then I save from a many mistakes, because while I am going there, the car is also coming there, and the driver of my car is very means curious to go everywhere. I don't say about it here, and he takes a lots of mistakes from the way. And the way in the Sikkim, there is no boundary, because one side is mountain, other side is valley. So the government also provided a boundary from the roadside.
Vivek, you tell me how Sikkim able to make organic estate?
Organic estate. So organic estate means the product that we grown from a particular area. It is only dependent on the organic things, because the product that you are using from a Sikkim are from also grown from their estate. If you are taking any things from any other estate, then you have restricted from taking the things from one place to other. And the people of there is fully dependent on environment creation, and they protect environment very well.
Anjali, you tell me connectivity of Sikkim with different states of India.
Different states of India. Sikkim is connected with the West Bengal. First, Sikkim is connected with the West Bengal. In West Bengal, many of the peoples are living who belong to the Bengalis family, and in the Sikkim, the relation between West Bengal and Sikkim is good as compared to other states like in the down of our country, the relation between the Belgium and Sri Lanka is not good as compared to this. The relation between these states is very good, and also if those handicrafts and other materials which are prepared in the Sikkim, they have to cover all the states. But nearby the Bengalis is mostly their culture is not much more same, but their culture is some like same to the as compared to the Sikkim. Just because of it, like Sikkim also celebrate Durga Puja, and in the West Bengal, as we all know that in the whole country, Durga Puja is most probably and most beautifully celebrated in the state West Bengal.
Okay, Mr. Kamya. You tell me why there is a good education in Sikkim so far. So far, women empowerment is also concerned. Sikkim is one of the best states among the states of India. Why is it so?
Because the education system of Sikkim is very different as in India or other state. In Sikkim, education system is divided as 4 parts that I explained in our presentation. So that their education system is very good, and the government of Sikkim expend their 20% in education.
Excellent. Clap.